Yeah, man, you have some people who just love to use them finger and bash people, just go up on social media and just go and make some comment and make people feel bad in themselves. Wagwan, when I dep and welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV. And you don't know Kaylan's situation from 2020. You don't know where female them do to her and for her situation, them, she end up in a wheelchair and thing. And you don't know her mother say she do what she could have do still and lava them and anti-dana them push out where them could have push out and the government could have do more and thing, but people just want it just look bad pan her, you see it. Them just want to make it look like she getting millions and waste it out by all care and do all kind of things where she not do, you see it. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV, you see it. Yeah man, certain time people just choose to bash you and do certain things when the worst part of your life is on a down time. Yeah, so some people stay, you see it. They don't want to give you some motivation and even put in a hand and help you and make things even better, you see me? But me just sorry say that little girl, them things I reach her, you see it, for right now. She done there somewhere great in her life now, you see it? Yeah man, if that never reach her, she done in her job or she done do something, you see it? So if you just forward and just go watch what she has say, yeah man, and feel free if you drop a comment, you see it? Yeah man.
The nightmare starts from day one, night. From day one, night. The nightmare starts and one in it all. No! One in it. I don't call me idiot, you don't call me fool, you don't say me a coward, you don't threaten me, you don't do everything, you don't put out hit on my head, you don't do everything for break me. I don't see me not break, I don't decide so you not stop. Me got you and the embarrassment when me get. When people are ask me for $40 million, when me no incur. When my picnic, I don't sick, she text sick. If she didn't text sick and me owe that the money, then nobody wouldn't even know about it. Want me take me time and do what me I do. She never sick. Nothing no do her. I want to let them go. And then I pressure me. The only person we are trying. The only person that is trying. And me are the only one I try. And I me una make it look like semi a shit. Una make it look like I me are the junker in the situation. Enough is enough. I am so sick and tired of all this situation. Me nah go tell no lie. My cup full. I go past somebody post a clip after well Luke do and then cut out the part when me say the girl them for pay and then post it and everybody have done me oh government me I say government. At which point me say government for pay something? Of course me not like them assist. Nobody not owe me nothing. Nobody not owe me nothing. Una get pa me nerve. Una get pa me nerve. Una de pa me last nerve. But the Bible say no. There are more for me than those against me. And I just feel like me I gonna talk my mind tonight, cause my cup full. I see some comment a while ago rub me the wrong way. When I see people talk about my picking some way, it rub me, Venetia, the wrong way. But talk about the people and with thief who much thousands of US dollars from Kaylan when all of this starts. And that's what we talk about. The people and we say them a collect money and thief who much thousands of dollars from my picnic. I could have did help to do a whole heap of things for her. See, she's still there. And the doctor them, yes, so can't help her right now because them say them can't manage the surgery basically, you know. Them not going to do it because it's a failure. You know how that could have did help her? I realize that in other country, the victim is always victimized. The victim is always victimized. No matter how gruesome the crime, wanna find something to blame the victim. It's as if una want it. It's like una get a high of a scene. me can tell you this. Me turn to Jesus and me go stay in a Jesus. And me go tell you this. No weapon will form against me and my two people them shall prosper. None. And every tongue will rise up against you are going to be condemned. Me not ask you not. Tell me I tell you that. Me tired. I am so tired. When I realize that me still have this to deal with. Me still have a surgery when me I look on the same $40 million when me owe you with. A same $40 million me have to go find. We take out this a check out of my picnic neck. When I realize that my picnic have a machine in her heart right now. When me have to go find, me see when I have to go find money when it to come out to take it out. Me see when I have to go find the money to take it out. Every medication, everything, you know how much time for the week my picnic a doctor? You don't know how much time? You don't know how much things she go through? Consistently? When me have to find it? And basically me not even now work? From 2020 December, a $13,000 going in the GoFundMe. People are saying me buy Benz. People are saying billions of dollars in a GoFundMe. It was there for everybody to see. It was transparent. Everybody did a look on it. Me never hide it because me can't hide GoFundMe. It was there for everybody to see. The GoFundMe, we reset the GoFundMe when we are going to pass him soul session. I'm going to look in there now, almost $300, $200 in there. Which money? The biggest money me get a lava, give me. When she had the last two cardiac arrest and the pacemaker for going in her heart, a lava pay feet. God bless everybody we donate. Everybody on every platform we donate. When say Dana give me $1 million, Dana give me this. Now $300,000 me did get from Dana. In a 1 week, me spent $200,000 in a medication when she had sepsis. 1 week. Me not talk about the rest of the week, them in the rest of the month, you know. 1 week. Where me forget it from? Where must I get it? I am so tired of you all on us. Consistently. Me tired of you,